For the side, links and cases collect. Very modular means that we can take too quick and to use the drone. Use
You have to move through this plaza right here. You have to take this plaza. Take a look.
Then you have to press twice, and then the ballistic computer will make the save everything safe.
So somebody could plug in a lat long or a targeting system off that, and then you can have this light out. So we put a day filter on there. There's two filters you get in the kit. There's a regular, put your nods back down when you want to use them. So it's up to the operator kind of what you want to use or whatever your team wants to use. You can also bring, now we're using 4 AA's. We can extend that, build that out, or just bring 2 packs.
Got it.
So there's a pack in the back. It has your module on there, your computer.
Has their own Android phone and wants to play too.
Mast, that one's right outside the white tent over here. He's up on a mast. Okay, so that's our radio. So because we're inside the GPS's, that's all you do. Push the talk to here. All right, guys. So quick down and dirty on the radio since you guys are ready to use it.
Oh, she.
Oh, you tap it and you add it on.
With the laser range plate, so you can snap a laser on there.
I mean, make a bang literally, so you.
That's a safety.
Yeah.
Dude, if you